right, time to take a look at the UYECOVE 3-pieces aluminum handle ratchet set. Oh wow, that's cool. So I really like that cover they got on there. It's not actually aluminum, but it really looks like it. Dang. This is cool. So here's the thing. This is still a fairly heavy ratchet. Like, this is a full steel body up here. It's just the end that is aluminum. Now what that means is if I really need to whip this thing around, I can do that. I'm not going to have all this extra mass back here slowing me down. So that is actually pretty darn cool. Definitely on there better than I can pull it off. So we got our forward and reverse mechanism. We still got our quick release, which is my preferred style. So what that's going to do is it's going to push that pin out the end, which is going to allow the detent to drop in. So that way, if I have to work one-handed, I can still remove sockets just by pressing that button in and then putting new sockets on. So this is a very nice style to have. Nice, like this feels super heavy duty. This is the 1/2-inch drive. I believe that is a 72-point ratchet, which means that I'm going to be able to do very tight maneuvers. So if I'm in a tight area, I'm still going to be able to get a couple of clicks, even with the smallest amount of movement. So that is very cool. And I really like that we got this case in here. It's a nice foam padded case. And that blue color actually looks nice. So you can just take this whole thing, throw it right inside the toolbox, and we got a carrier for all of our ratchets. Got a 1/4 inch, and we got our 3/8. All still the same thing, basically the exact same design. Got a couple of Torx head bolts here on the top, and we got a couple on the bottom. So if we need to take this thing apart to grease it, do whatever we got to do, we can still do that. But I do really like this nice big round handle. So if I need to put a lot of pressure on something, I don't have to worry about that cutting into my hand. So that is very nice. And for a little 1/4 inch guy, still got all the same mechanisms. Good feeling ratchet. So that is cool. Yeah, and got some power. That is a nice ratchet.